Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending upon where you live around the world. This time, I'm looking at something that's new to me, or the realisation of it is new to me, and we've got here a drawing I made up quite a number of years ago. I imported some of these tree planter type models, and I noticed how flaming hard it was on the computer system that I had. I've got a new one, I've only had it for a week, but what would happen is as you would pan around, the detail, basically the surfaces, the colours, would disappear. And it was inordinately difficult for the processor to handle it. It would, but there was a gigantic lag. This, don't know whether I like it as much as I would want to. However, I think I'm going to persevere. All of that, you'd be scratching your head saying, what the heck is he talking about? Well, I'm glad you asked. In the styles section in the trays here, there's this little thing called profiles. And when I click it back on, it does that. It adds lines to all the edges of the surfaces. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? There we go. See, it blacks out because the processor is having a bit of a hard time, and then it fills it back in. So we can see the weight that the lines have an impact on the different parts of the model, especially the plants. So when I click the profiles off, it kind of lightens the whole drawing, and again, I don't know whether I like it or not. I got the feeling I do. After all, the last time I coloured inside the lines was when I was at primary school. And ever since then, well, we don't really do that sort of thing. But when we have drawing programs like this, they kind of have to have them. Now, I'm going to open up another file in a moment. That just looks cleaner. That looks more... I suppose it's going to be one of those things. It's subjective. Do I like it or don't I? Is it more realistic to have this sort of look rather than the lines included? Let's have a look. There's edges. So what's the difference between profile? Is it just adding extra detail or not? Or removing detail or not? Don't know the difference between edges and profile, but what it does do is it really gives the plants a bit of a clean up and a much lighter, and as I'm moving it, it doesn't lose the detail. So that's interesting. I've not fiddled with styles at all before, and considering that I've been using SketchUp for the last, if it's 2005 now, 8 years. So, that's interesting. I'll save that, and I will open... What have I got here? In fact, I will open the dome drawing that I'm often working on. Come down to Styles again, to edit, put the profile on, take the edges off. Don't know whether I like that without the edges, because you lose the No, I think the edges have to remain, but the profile kind of lightens the line weight. So edges stay, profile can go. Because when I was doing this one, and this was the first one I'd done it on, the difference, it's just, it looks more pleasing. It's more betterer. And click them on, click them off. I like it without the profiles being on, to be fair. Definitely have to leave the edges. It's just plain dumb. I was looking at some of the other items, and depth Q, got no idea. Probably be able to adjust it here. Extension, no idea what that does. Endpoints, really don't like that. Jitter is just like adding a second line. Profiles, again, as I was saying, you could probably make it 1, make it lighter, or 4, make it heavier. Definitely not good. Default was 2, but if I leave it off, if I leave it off completely, I think that looks a lot cleaner, a lot lighter, a lot more, it's like precise. You're not being lost in the weight of the line. I think I'm going to trial it for a while and see how we go. There's been other, actually I'll load another file, and the processing power of this computer is far better than the old one. I can tell you that now. So we come to edit, and put the profiles back on, and you can just see the heaviness that is perception, but the heaviness that the profiles give it. Take it off. It's just that little bit lighter, visually lighter and cleaner. So I'm going to oops, sorry for that. I'll put the profile. You can feel the weight that the profiles give. So this is actually an interesting one, because it has been something for a while that I've been kind of not happy with, and that was the weight of the lines. So yeah, that was from watching a video. Aaron at sorry Aaron, I've forgotten your name of your site, but he does a lot of the tutorials, SketchUp Essentials or something like that. I'll get it right one day, memory being what it never was. So yeah, that was just a little functional sort of tool or adjustment to your settings. Now here's another thing. This is a completely fresh install of SketchUp. I didn't transfer my SketchUp from the old computer to this one. I really want to, but it comes with a potential downside, which I don't really want to have affect me. For most of the time I've used SketchUp Make, I've never been able to use the undo tool, the redo tool more specifically. So let's just show in fact I'll save it here. Now if I go to make a rectangle, there's the other thing I haven't done. I haven't set up my shortcuts. Ugh, that's annoying because I've got a lot of them. Okay, let's make a rectangle. Let's make a rectangle. And let's... I'm pushing buttons and the darn thing's not working. Oh, it's not working. I'm going to have to use all these, but that's not good. And I do that. And I can save it or make a group. And there we go. Now, if I do that, I've just ungrouped it. I was never able to push the redo button, and that means it's grouped again. This is the first time I've really played with it since I've installed SketchUp again a week ago. So that facility has been talked about on the different forums that I looked at very superficially, and there were a lot of good suggestions, none of which worked for me. The one thing I can postulate is that by loading some of the add-ons that I did, and I loaded quite a few, something broke SketchUp. And they suggested that if you do this and do that and disengage or delete something, it would work again. Well, I tried it and not one thing altered it. So I'm very, very reluctant now to put any non-native SketchUp app on this computer. But there is one, and it's to do with layers, because I like my layers. The layers that you can see here, as you can see, I've got a lot of them. And the ability to use the add-on has been much appreciated. And I'd like to put it on. So I'm going to probably search for that application, or whatever you want to call it, the add-on. So yeah, but having that redo can't be understated, and would I want that more than the layers facility? Good question. Don't know. Do like that, because there's been many a time I've backed out of something, and of course you can't redo it when you figured out that you'd backed out too far, and that can drive someone spare, and it did. Really, really annoying. So all in all, quite happy. There's some stuff I have to readjust because I now no longer use it. It's pretty much configured the way I want, but now I'm going to have to go through and do my shortcuts whenever I remember where you do that. Rightio, that's it. It was just another little, not a nothing sort of video. It's just getting back into it. I haven't done any recording for a couple of months. I've been working out in the workshop doing different things, and waiting for my new computer to be put together. And now that it is, I've got to say, these Dell monitors, which this is, it's a Dell 27-inch 4K monitor. I've got two of them, and other than the price, not bad monitors, I've got to say. Especially for SketchUp. And the power of the computer, that's lovely. Now, my other computer wasn't too bad, and I had the monitors were ViewSonic, good quality ViewSonics, a bit like the industry standard of the day. But these ones, not just the extra real estate that I've got, but it's just how the blacks are black, the lines are fine. There's got a little bit of sawtoothing there. Nothing too bad. I wonder whether the styles thing was... No, there's a little bit of sawtoothing there, but nothing like it once was. So, you can probably hear in my voice, I'm quite a happy camper. Pleased to get back into it. This is my house. It's seen better days because it hasn't got any roof on it at the moment. And clicking it on and off through the SketchUp, I should really get used to it. I'll be getting the SketchUp 2025 eventually, soon, probably within the next couple of weeks, couple of months. I'm just tossing up whether I really need it. I'm basically retired, and this has always been just a bit of a hobby for me. So, but I would like it. What do you do in your retirement except enjoy yourself? Well, you should do, shouldn't you? Enjoy yourself and, I don't know. What the heck? I probably will get it. Okay, that's it. I'll wander off, leave you alone. But yeah, profiles. If you like it, turn them off. Thumbs up. Yeah, redo, or I do like it. Shortcuts, that's what I've got to do. Rightio, I'll leave you alone. Again. Right, see you on the next one now. Bye.